Hey guys, horn blows. What about the driver? Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of MNTY185. This is a 1992 Toyota Celica. Came to us with a locked up 4-cylinder engine. Rest of the car is in very good condition here. Do a nice walk around. Front bumper got damaged by the loader operator. You're watching this video. Nonetheless though, a lot of good parts on this vehicle. We've got some nice fenders on it. The headlights tested well, as you guys can see. A nice super white hood. Heavy paint swirling. Get your buffer out on this one. Like got a hologram effect on it. Aftermarket wheel set, which we're not going to be listing for sale. The interior is in very good condition though. Nice set of door panels there. An interesting custom stereo from the 90s. Nice cloth seat set there. It is Manuel too. Kind of a sad one. Anyways, rear seat is in good condition. These are going to be sold as a seat set, front and rear. Convertible top will be sold as a frame. The cloth is no good on it. Nice GT deck lid with spoiler, pair of OEM taillights, a nice tail finish panel, rear bumper. These thingies, it's not an all-track though, so I don't know why you need them. All the moldings on this side. I'm gonna step inside here and test some parts. Oh yeah, this guy was a custom stereo installer. Pro tip, if you're watching this, guys, you can drill a hole in the firewall and use a grommet instead of going through the door jamb. Yeah, a lot less chance of burning your stuff down too.
That's not true.
That's not true. But like once a week we see this. I get it, you're trying, but like YouTube, I don't know. Just, you're playing with fire, guys, when you do this. Just bzz, 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 bzz. There goes your 92 Celica, all because you saved a couple of dollars on your car stereo install. Oh boy. Oh man, we got LEDs. This guy was custom with a K. All right, let's test some parts here. Climate control does climate control things. Controlling temperatures is what I do. Hazards indicate that my shit is broke, so I'm gonna turn them on, cause it's broke. We're singing a song today. This is a musical. The window goes up and down, up and down, up and down. The windows on the Celica go up and down. At least we hope. Let's test that convertible out. Let's let some sunlight in here. One touch sunroof. Wah wah wee wah.
Great success.
How do the rear windows go down?
Center console.
Oh, that's stupid. But they work. Hey guys, horn blows. What about the driver?
Probably ever did that engine wide.
I can't take this seriously today. This poor car. Let's keep testing some stuff out. Fog light switch. Yeah, it's working. Headlights go. Pop up and down headlights. Pop up and down headlights. What? Oh, they're kind of slow.
What do they do?
They go up and down.
Up and down headlights.
Pew! Let's test the old mirrors. How does this power mirror switch work? Oh! Because that's where I'd put it.
That mirror's no good because it's got a giant chip out of the base of it. But they both function well.
Let's test it anyways in case we decide to sell it to somebody. Alright. Yeah. Actually a pretty clean car. Kind of sucks. Somebody should have put a motor in this thing. That somebody should have been me. Just kidding. I don't need this. Oh, alright guys. That is going to wrap it up for MNTY. Haha, this car is minty. MNTY185, our Toyota Celica Convertible. If you guys are looking for any of the minty parts off this car, I'll leave a link in the description down below to our website, www.jndjautoracking.com, or you can reach us online, toll free at 800-425-1555. I only say this like 5 times a day. You think I'd figure it out one of these times. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking, guys. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. Virginia is for lovers? Question mark? Cousin lovers, maybe? Thanks for watching.